Hi, today's Crush Diary pages tells a sweet crush tale of two college students Ria and Rahul. Initially, their routine college life was limited to exploring books, preparing for exams, and late night assignments until they became friends, and it all started in university library. Ria was a nice girl with her hair always in a sloppy bun. Rahul, on the other hand, was the quiet person who sat in the back of the library, immersed in his world of equations and, on occasion, sketching, as was his hobby. Their paths crossed one rainy afternoon in the university library. It started innocently. Ria needed a reference book for her social science paper, and Rahul happened to be reading the same book. Their fingers brushed as they both reached for it. Rahul blushed, Ria laughed. And that's how their friendship began, a collision of academic needs and shy smiles. They soon became study partners and university library became their favorite place in world. Ria shared her notes on social theories, while Rahul explained calculus concepts. Now many a time they used to sit side by side, their elbows touching, and used to even occasionally talk about life beyond textbooks. Ria noticed Rahul's dimples when he laughed. Rahul admired Ria's determination. But crushes are tricky. Ria's heart fluttered when Rahul lent her his lucky pen during an exam. Rahul's pulse raced when Ria borrowed his hoodie on a chilly day. They exchanged glances in the university canteen while enjoying samosas and chai with friends. Yet, neither dared to confess their feelings. One day, Ria found a folded note in her social science textbook. It read, "Ria, you make social science less boring." Her cheeks flushed, and she hurried a reply, "Rahul, your calculus explanations are my lifesaver." The note passing continued. They left messages in library books. Ria wrote Rahul, "Let's grab chai after the lecture." And Rahul replied, "Yes, only if you promise to explain me social science chapter again." Their crush bloomed like the beautiful roses in garden. Ria's heart raced when Rahul lent her his umbrella during a sudden rainstorm. Rahul blushed when Ria shared her favorite poem about rain and stolen glances. One day Ria overheard Rahul talking to his friend, Kabir. "I like Ria," Rahul confessed. "But what if she sees me as just a math geek?" Kabir smiled. "Dude, she leaves notes in your textbooks. Trust me, she likes you too." Encouraged by Kabir's words, Rahul took a leap. He left a note in Ria's bag. "Ria, let's grab that chai. And maybe talk about more than just social science?" Ria smiled, her heart nearly missing beats. She replied, "Rahul, I'd love that. But only if you promise to teach me the integrals." And so, in the cozy corner of the college canteen, amongst chai cups and borrowed hoodies, Rahul and Ria confessed their crushes. Their laughter echoed, and the rain outside danced to their rhythm. They became more than study buddies, they became each other's favorite chapter. And as they sipped chai, Rahul realized that sometimes the most extraordinary love stories are written in the simplest notes waiting to be discovered by two common hearts. After college, Rahul and Ria's paths got separated, yet their connection remained carved in the folds of memory. Rahul, armed with his math degree, joined a software company. His days were filled with algorithms, coffee, and lines of code. But amidst the binary world, he never forgot Ria's laughter or the warmth of her notes. He continued sketching, now not just equations but also memories. His art adorned the walls of his tiny apartment, each stroke a tribute to the girl who loved social science and chai. Rahul occasionally visited the library, hoping to find Ria there. But she had vanished, leaving behind only echoes of whispered conversations. Ria pursued her dream of becoming a journalist. She wrote stories on facts and emotions. Her byline graced newspapers, and her heart yearned for adventure. She traveled a backpack, a camera, and a notebook in hand. Ria explored the unique places, the beaches of Goa, and the bustling streets of Kolkata. Yet, in quiet moments, she wondered about Rahul. Ria left notes in guest houses, hoping they'd reach him somehow. Fate played its hand. A decade later, at a crowded bookstore, their eyes met. Rahul, now with glasses perched on his nose, stood near the poetry section. Ria, with a camera slung across her shoulder, browsed travelogues. Ria? Rahul's voice trembled. She turned, and there he was, the guy who had once lent her his umbrella. Their smiles held years of unsaid words. Both excited to meet after so long. They joined up over cups of masala chai. They laughed about missed connections and the notes they'd exchanged, and great time they had together. I never stopped wondering, Rahul confessed. And you? Riya's eyes sparkled. I traveled the world, but my heart always stayed in that library. And so, in the cozy corner of the bookstore, among poetry and travel guides, Rahul and Riya began a new chapter. Their love story, renewed by fate, was no longer hidden in textbooks. It was written in the margins of life. And they lived happily ever after, sipping chai and sharing notes, because sometimes crushes find their way back to where they belong. Take care, see you soon in next pages. If this story relates to your crush memories, please share it with me in comments and don't forget to like and subscribe.